Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the group PBL 240. We like to present the result of our project entitled Letter Management Application at Polybatam. Okay, before we begin, let me introduce the solid team behind this project. Adika Hafiz Wibowo as leader front end database, Putri as business analyst and QA testing, Fahri as front-end and back-end, Muhammad Ali Asuri as back-end and database, Hermansyah as QA and testing, Analyst, Lucia Akila as UI UX designer. Next. Okay, the next slide will be explained by Adika.
Okay, here I will explain the problems encountered. Submitting letters is still done manually via email without a structured system. So the status of submission cannot be monitored. Requests are difficult to prioritize, and there is a risk of recording errors and data loss. The next slide will be explained by Putri.
Okay, well, so to address all the issues, we have developed a practical and easy to use solution. So the solution we offer is a web-based application that facilitates the submission, tracking, and storage of letter digital. To this application can easily fill out online form, monitor the status of letter in the real time, and receive automatic notification. The system also features role-based access, making the letter management process more secure, organized, and efficient. Next, to support this solution, we have prepared several features that make it easy for user to send and receive letter. This application has complete feature to facilitate the letter process, start from secure login according to rule, dashboard to monitor status and activity statistic. User can view letters history, filter and search data easily. Automatic notification, online submission form, and real-time status tracking, and the ability to download letter in PDF format are available. So the next slide will be explained by Fahri Andrian.
Okay, so here I'll be explaining about the application's products. Here we have the login page where the users can log in, the dashboard with the things that the user sees once they log in. Next is the application submission list page where the users can see all the list of letters that they have submitted. The application letter form page where they can apply for a letter form. Next is the statistic page for them to look at the statistics of their of their data. And then the next is the letter status page where they can see the status of their letter. Next will be explained by Ali.
In this page, I will explain about benefits of the application product. General benefits of the application. First, improving the efficiency of the mail management process. Mail management, which was previously done manually, is now digital, making it faster, more structured, and more efficient. Two, supports correspondence service in accordance with service time standards. The application is designed with service time standards to avoid delays in completing correspondence. Three, simplifying letter tracking. User can track the status of letters in real time from submission to approval. For need as archive, published letter are stored centrally in the system, making them easy to search, manage, and monitor according to user needs and access right. Next slide will be explained by Herman.
Testing and validation plan, testing methodology. Methodology use agile testing. Testing is conducted and iterative and in parallel with the development phase agile, which meant each sprint product part of the system that is immediately tested by the team. Use feedback is sent quickly for subsequent improvement product validation process. Validation is carried out with the involvement of end user and project manager to ensure that the feature development meet user needs. The latter submits and management process is easy to understand and use. Next, the result aspect test status and not. Login user successful, each role can login in according to their access right. Submission of letter. Success letter can be submitted by the pengusul and entered in the staff dashboard. Verification process. Successful in the letter has been verified by the Kepala Subbagian Umum. Download PDF letter. Success. The letter can be downloaded after it has been published. Tracking status. Success. Real-time letter status. Notification. Success. The system provided real-time notification. Next, Akila.
Okay, continuing from my friend's explanation, I will describe how the other courses were application in our PBL project. In statistics, we display letter data such as submission and approval using graph in the apps. For data structure, the queuing system uses FIFO and LILO concept to manage income letter. In project management, we applied agile method, created sprint schedule and monitoring tasks using Siap PBL and WhatsApp. For software designer, we created using use case diagram, use case ERD, activity diagram, and designer UI UX using Figma and Draw.io. Next, using OOP, every feature is implemented as an object such as user, letter, and application. In database programming, we build a normalized database and assign access role like admin and staff. Lastly, Indonesian language education help users prepare report and documentation with proper grammar and scientific writing. Next will be Ali.
Results and conclusions. A letter management application was successful developed with key features such as letter submission, status tracking, automatic notification, and digital archiving. The system was tested iteratively using the agile method and showed stable results and ran according to user needs and workflow. In conclusion, this application is capable of addressing the issue of manual letter management by providing an efficient, user-friendly, and transparent system. The available features are tailored to user needs and are ready for use in the Polybatam environment.
Okay, thank you for listening our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.